Your customers want to know how many miles they'll be getting out of their new set of tires. Long tread life and lasting performance are some of the most important characteristics customers look for when buying that new set of tires. With the wide range of vehicles you see come into your shop, from sedans to SUVs and maybe even EVs, the tire options designed for them continue to evolve to fit these segments, meaning tread life and performance life also need to increase to fit those needs. To give us a better idea of how manufacturers engineer long-lasting performance in tires, we are joined today by Zach Pfeil, Research and Development Engineer at Continental Tire. Zach, how do a symmetrical tread pattern design and EcoPlus compounding technology, like the features of Continental's TrueContact Tour 54, contribute to long-lasting performance on tires?
Yeah, so there's actually a couple things that go into the pattern as well as the compounding. From a pattern side, we have symmetrical tires here that can be rotated all around the vehicle. This means they can be flipped inside to outside. When you have a cambered vehicle, you're wearing on one side of the tire more than the other. Flipping this around now allows you to have more tread life. Through the pattern as well, you have tread depth, so more physical material takes longer to wear down is one of the contributing factors as well as the actual void. So void is the amount or lack thereof material that is on the tread. So we're talking about height for tread depth, and we're talking about amount of material across the tire for void. One of the other things that we look at is actually the contour. So that's actually the shape of the tire. So this is round versus flat if you're looking at it kind of from the front. And we're looking for a flat basically stress distribution. So the flatter the shape, the more improved wear we have. Another thing that goes into this is actually the construction as well. So stiff versus loose construction, essentially. So as the tire is rotating, it's creating almost like a ballooning dynamic effect. So when we can control that shape through the construction, we're able to basically flatten it out and create a better tire under speed, under load. Eventually this helps with the wear as well. The final thing is the compounding. So we talked about three characteristics. This is the fourth characteristic, is the compounding. So EcoPlus technology has temperature activated functional polymers. So these increase compound bonding for tire wear as well as vehicle range and efficiency. Through that as well, we have competitive fuel efficiency with their silane polymers, and this increases vehicle range, tire wear, as well as wet traction and stopping distance. So all of these four main characteristics here are what goes into making a long-lasting tire.
Good to know, Zach. Can you tell me more about Continental's tire development process and what is done to measure or estimate mileage?
Yeah, so there's many factors that goes into this. From a general view, we have computer-aided engineering. So we are optimizing the pattern layout. We're also doing some rubber samples in a lab, so more of a bench test situation. We also bring, once we have prototype tires, we're also testing on a machine. So bench testing while in motion. And then finally, we actually test these tires in real life with real test drivers driving on the road to get an actual mileage calculation.
Thanks so much for joining me, Zach. My name's Allison. Thanks for watching.